Hello JRF aspirants, welcome to the YouTube channel of National Agriculture Academy. As we all know, we are providing daily mock test on our app since last 3 months. This is the video solution of last mock test which was held on 10th of September. So let's start with the first question. So the first question is hot water for bee estimation was given by. So the answer is option A, Burger and Trog. And next question, a good time of year to soil sampling is. So here all the options are correct. Next question, the softest mineral in earth crust is talc, and we know the hardest mineral in the earth crust is diamond. So next question, how many categories are used for the classification of soil taxonomy? So there are 6 categories are used for the classification of soil taxonomy. Next question. The seventh approximation of soil taxonomical classification was published in which year? So the answer is option number C, 1960. Next question. The fruit of groundnut botanically called as. The answer is Lomentum. So as you know, groundnut is not a technically a nut but rather a legume, and its fruits is called Lomentum. Next question. The critical soil test level approach was given by. The answer is option number B, Catte and Nelson's. Next question. To preserve nutrient in farmyard manure, which of the following are not used? So the answer is option number C. In here, gypsum and SSP both are used to preserve nutrient in FIM, but lime is not used. Next question. Compound obtained when orthophosphoric acid is heated to 593 degree Kelvin temperature. So we obtain P2O5. Coming to the next question. What is the ideal pH range for maize, cowpea and groundnut? So all these crops which we need, the ideal pH is 5 to 6.5. Next question. Zinc deficiency caused. So here zinc deficiency causes white bud in maize. So as we all know that here is written that Pahala white. Then this is not a Pahala white, it is Pahala white. Pahala, Pahala blight of sugarcane. So Pahala blight of sugarcane is caused due to manganese deficiency. And you know black heart of potato. So black heart of potato is caused by the excess of CO2, or we can say lack of oxygen. Coming to the next. Nano urea liquid fertilizer is developed by IFCO. Nano Biotechnology Research Center is located in. So the answer is Kalol, Gujarat. Next question. The equation V is equals to KR square is called Stokes law. Next question. Arrangement of primary and secondary soil particles is called as. So the option is option number A, soil structure. Next question. The best soil structure for agriculture is. So the option is option number D, Crumby. Particle density is also called. So here the option are all are correct. So we can also say true density, absolute density and density of solids. Next question. Rice inflorescence is known as. So rice inflorescence is known as panicle. Option number C is correct. Next question. Genetic purity of foundation seeds is. Here C option is correct, that is 99%. Next question. The law of diminishing return was given by. So the option number B is correct. Mitscherlich is given the law of diminishing return. Next question. Which of the following organisms is not free living? So here all option number A, B, C is free living except Frankia. Next question. The clay mineral having highest cation exchange capacity. So here answer is option number A, vermiculite. And as you know, kaolinite is the mineral having lowest cation exchange capacity. Next question. Color of the land capability class 4 on LCC map is. So here option number D is correct, that is blue. Next question. Soil associated with permanently cold climate in the Arctic region are. So the option is tundra soils. What is the pH of moderately acid soils? So the pH of moderately acid soils is 5.6 to 6.0. So next question. Which microorganism higher in acid soil? So fungi is the microorganism which is higher in acid soil. Next question, what is the shelf life of liquid biofertilizer? So the shelf life of liquid biofertilizer is 12 to 24 months, or we can say 1 to 2 years. Next question, CP4 EPSPS was derived from which soil agrobacterium strain? So the option is CP4. As we know, CP4 found in agrobacterium that is used for development of glyphosate resistant cotton variety. Next question. Country's first genetically modified BT cotton variety is developed by. So the option is A, B, C, and here B option is correct, that is Punjab Agriculture University. So here Punjab Agriculture University developed BT cotton, that is BT1, F1861 and RS 2013. Next question. Which rust disease of wheat is known as killer disease? So here Puccinia graminis triticale is the right answer. So as we know, Puccinia graminis triticale is known as black rust of wheat. As we know, Puccinia recondita is known as brown rust or leaf rust of wheat, and Puccinia striformis is known as yellow rust of wheat. Next question. Tiller production in wheat often starts about day after sowing. So option is A, 15 is correct. Tiller production in wheat is started generally 15 days after sowing and it is continuing up to 45 days. Next question. During monsoon season of maize crop, total number of irrigation is required. So 3 to 5 times of irrigation is required in crop. It depends upon the sowing date of maize and rainfall amount. So if rainfall amount is low, then generally requires 3 to 5 irrigations only. Which type of germination is found in cowpea? So in cowpea, both epigeal germination and perennicotylar germination is found. Next question. A farmer used 40,000 liter water to irrigate 6,000 meter square area. Find out the depth of irrigation. So we can do 6,000 meter square area is converted into hectare. So 40,000 upon 0.6 multiplied by 1 lakh. So we get 0.667 centimeter or 6.67 mm. So here answer is option number A. Next question. Calculate weight of NaCl to make 200 ml of 0.4 m NaCl solution. So we do molarity of the solution is 0.4, volume of solution is equal to 0.2 liter molarity is equal to number of moles per volume. Then the number of moles is equals to molarity into volume. So here to 0.2 multiplied by 0.4 we get 0.08 weight of NaCl in 0.08 liter solution is 0.08 multiplied by 58.5, so we get 4.68 is the answer. So here the right answer is 4.68 grams. Next question. Find out the pH of 0.001 KOH. So the pH of solution is 3, but pH of KOH is 14 minus 3 is equals to 11 because KOH is alkaline solution. Next question. If leaching fraction is 20%, then calculate amount of water for leaching in per of evapotranspiration. In this question, suppose depth of water applied is equal to D. Leaching fraction is 20%, so amount of water for leaching is 0.2 D ET. It is equal to applied water minus water needed for leaching D minus 0.02 D, which is equals to 0.8 D. So amount of water for leaching as percentage of ET is equals to water needed for leaching divided by evapotranspiration multiplied by 100. So we get 25% answer. So option number A is correct. Next question. Which of the following machine is not good for zero tillage planting of crops under the surface residue condition? So here option number D is correct. Tine opener zero till drill is the answer. Above are disc harrow plug which is used in zero tillage than tine type of tillage equipments. Next question. For maximum use efficiency on sandy loam soil, urea, nitrogen, top dressing should be made. So the option number B is correct. 2 to 3 days after irrigation. 2 to 3 days after irrigation, water is available at field capacity, which is most suitable for urea application, and at this condition, plant physiological activities are also better than other soil moisture content. Next question. Maximum water and nitrogen used efficiency in rice can be achieved by. So here option number B is correct. Irrigation after 2 to 3 days of disappearance of standing water. So 2 to 3 days after irrigation, water is available at field capacity, which is the most suitable for urea application, and at this condition, plant physiological activities are also better than other soil moisture content. Next question. According to question, correct sequence of stage of cell division of mitosis. So in this question, option number B is correct, that is G phase, interphase, metaphase, prophase and cytokinesis. But usually the first stage is interphase, then G1 phase, then S phase, then G2 phase, then prophase, then metaphase, then anaphase, then telophase, and then at last cytokinesis. Next question. Uh, Crop having highest transgenic plant cultivation area. So in this, option number C is correct. The largest transgenic plant cultivation area is covered by soybean, then maize, then cotton. Next question. First hybrid sunflower variety is. So the answer is option number C, BSH1, that is named Pro Agro, is the first hybrid sunflower variety. Next question. Which of the following is true? So in this, all the options are correct, that is 1. World Food Day is celebrated on 16th October. National Agriculture Day is celebrated on 1st July. And Water Resources Day is celebrated on 11th of March. Next question. Which of the following is not truly matched? So column number 1 gives the detail about the revolution, and column number 2 details about how it related to. So here all the options are correct. So option number D, none of these is the correct answer. Next question. Statement 1. LAR reflects the leafiness of a plant or amount of leaf area found per unit of biomass and expressed in meter per square per kilogram of plant dry weight. Statement 2. Leaf weight ratio is expressed as the dry weight of leaves to the whole plant dry weight. So in this question, statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. So here option number D will be correct. In this question, when there are 5 treatments each replicated 4 times, the total number of experimental plots will be. So the option number C, that is 20, is correct. So as simply we do 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 20. Okay. So the next question is the stable compound in C3 plant is. So here all the options are correct, that is A, B, C. So in C3 plants, PGA, malic acid, OA, all the options are correct. Next question. The stable compound in C3 plant is. So here all the options are correct, that is PGA, malic acid and OAA. Next question. What are the variables whose calculation is done according to the weight, height and the length known as? So here option number C, that is continuous variable, is correct. Next question. Which inequality holds correct? So here option number C, that is AM is greater than GM and GM is greater than HM. Here AM means arithmetic mean, GM stands for geometric mean and HM stands for harmonic mean. Next question. Central Institute of Post-Harvest Engineering and Technology is located at. So option number B is correct, that is Ludhiana. Next question. Statement 1. The t-test is given by W.S. Gossett in 1905. Statement 2. The test is used when sample size is greater than 30. So here statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false, because the t-test is used when the sample size is smaller than 30, but here it is written that it is greater than 30. So first statement is true and second statement is false. Next question. The individual shows sudden heritable changes are known as. So here option number C is correct, that is mutants. Next question, the vector of streak mosaic in wheat is, so here option number A is correct, that is Asaria tulipae. We call generally mite also. Next question, statement 1, that is transpiration cool down the surface of plant. Statement 2, transpiration is higher in stomata than in cuticular. So here both the statements are correct, so option number A will be the right answer. Next question, the sex linked genes are located in which chromosome? Here option number B, X chromosome, is right answer. Next question, the effect of global warming is somewhat good in which type of plants? So option number B, C4 plants, is the correct answer. Next question, the translocation of nutrients and the water from the root is through. So the transportation of nutrients and water from root is transported by xylem tissue, and phloem tissue transport and distributes sucrose in the plants. Next question, match the following: diffusion and formed. First option is gas to liquid. So gas to liquid formed foam, liquid to gas form clouds, soil into gas becomes smoke, oil in water becomes milk, water in oil becomes butter. So here option number D will be correct. Next question, total forest cover in India is, that is 80.73 million hectare area is covered by forest in India. As we know, uh, if we talk about in percentage, then 24.56% total forest cover in India. Next question, the United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution sponsored by India and declaring 2023 as the correct option is option number D, the International Year of Millets. Next question, International Rice Research Institute South Asia Regional Center established at Varanasi, UP. Next question, successful weed management is based on, so here all the options are correct, that is knowledge of weed biology is required, survey on the nature of weed problem, whole farm planning, removal of weeds before flowering. Next question, uh, fill in the blanks that is given here. Absorption takes place when water is drawn into the roots by negative pressure in the conducting tissue created by transpiration. So the answer is passive. So passive absorption takes place when water is drawn into the roots by negative pressure in the conducting tissue created by transpiration. Next question. Statement 1. Water attaches itself to surface of many substances and this property is known as cohesion. Statement 2. By adhesion, water is held tightly at the soil water interferes. In this question, statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. That is, water attaches itself to surface of many substances and this property is known as, that is not is cohesion, that is adhesion. In this figure, we can easily understand the relationship between the adhesions and or cohesions. Next question, what is the scientific name of bill-goat weed? So option number C is correct, that is Ageratum conizoides. Next question, production and yield. This is the matching type question in which the correct answer is first, that is 2015 and 16 the production is 251.57 metric ton, and in the year 2016 to 17 the production is 275.68 metric ton, and in 2017 to 18 the total production is 285 metric ton, and in year 2018 to 19 285.2 metric ton is the production. Next question, Indian Journal of Agriculture Research is published by, so here option number A is correct, that is Agriculture Research Center, that is situated in Karnal. Next question, effective root zone depth in monkey nut crop is, so the correct option is option number A, that is 60 centimeter. Next question, arrange in the chronological order that is given A, B, C, that first IAEPS, then guidelines for watershed development, then National Afforestation Program, then IWMP. Next question, relative growth rate is measured of, that is here option number D is correct, that is rate of growth per unit dry matter. Next question, maize have small kernels with hard corniceous endosperm. Here option number D is correct, that is popcorn. Next question, cotton research journal is published, so cotton research journal is published half yearly. Next question, for smut treatment, Vitavax is recommended at the rate of, so option number A is correct, that is 2.5 gram per kg of seed. Next question, charcoal rot in maize is caused by, so here option number C is correct, that is Macropomena faciloi. Next question, plastic discovered by, so the option number A is correct, that is Haeckel. Next question, scientific name of white horse nettle is Solanum elagnifolium. Option number is correct. Next question, range of correlation coefficient is, so here option number B is correct. So you have seen that there are many brackets are here. So this is the flower bracket. So flower bracket represents, that is either -1 or +1. This is the square bracket, that it represents that the value ranges from -1 to +1. This is parenthesis bracket, which represents the number is between -1 to +1, but accepting -1 to +1. This is also a flower bracket, so 0 to +1, but here option is -1 to 1 is correct, that is option number B. Next question, which one of the following equipment is used for fertigation? Here option number C is correct, that is dripper. Next question, which of the following indicates normal crop growth under dryland condition? So option number B is correct, that is PPT is greater than PET. Next question, most common sorghum based intercropping system in dryland agriculture is, here option number C is correct, that is sorghum plus green gram. Generally, cereals and legumes intercropping is best under dryland conditions, that is sorghum plus green gram, or we can also grow cowpea along with sorghum. Next question, if the plant population is 66 plants per meter square, the plant geometry is to be, so here option number C is correct, that is plant should be planted in 15 into 10 centimeter spacing. Next question, this is a statement type question. So the first statement is structure of chromosome best observed during anaphase. Second statement is longest mitotic phase is metaphase. So here both the statements is false. So the structure best observed at metaphase and the longest mitotic phase is prophase. Next question, plant row spacing recommended for mechanical harvesting of sugarcane is, here option number B is correct, that is 1.5 meter. Next question, diclofop is very effective herbicide of control for late stage wild oat seedlings. So this statement is true. Next question, water hyacinth is not consumed by white emure. So this statement is true because white emure did not eat water hyacinth because of bitter taste and fouling smell. Next question, in dryland agriculture, post-emergence herbicide proves more effective than pre-emergence herbicide. So option number A, that is this is true statement. Due to low moisture content in cereal, pre-emergence herbicide is not effective. Next question. 2,4-D is a highly selective herbicide when it applied at ground root initiation stage. This in this statement, this is false. So option number B is correct. Next question, Cyprus rotundus seeds are not viable. So this is true. JRF variety is toxic to butachlor herbicide. This is also a true. Next question, Catopsilla species acts as a parasite for Trichogramma chinolis. So this is also a true statement. Next question, nuts such wheat induce denitrification by exuding sulfur compound. So this question, that is here answer is B. That is false. Net says weed induce denatrification by exuding carbon compounds. If in the place of sulfur, carbon is written there, so this will be true. Next question. Commonly used wetting agent for herbicide spray in India is, that is here option number A will be correct, and we use soap solutions. T-pol and upahar are the commonly used wetting agent for herbicide spray in India. Next question. October sowing of lucerne promote the growth of, here option number C is correct, that is both amaranthus and trianthema. Next question. Which herbicide become toxic to groundnut when the phosphorus level is high? So option number A, amitrol, is true. Which is most commonly used chemical to control striga? Here option number D, ethylene, is the correct answer. Next question. Dicamba is found very effective against, here option number B, BLW's perennial, is the correct answer. Next question. Herbicides deactivation of selectivity in plants is achieved by, so here option number C is correct, that is metabolism and conjugation is correct. Next question. This is also a statement type question. Statement A is dry weather and dry soils are prerequisites for success of weed management by summer tillage. Next statement. Parthenium is not produce flower throughout the year. So in this question only first statement is true and second statement is false. This is false because Parthenium produce flowers throughout the year after complete one cycle. Next question. Mycoherbicide with their weed control. Option statement 1, Velgo for Malva pustula, Biomol for Abutilon, Theopresti. So in this question both the statements are false because Velgo is used for Abutilon and Biomol is used for Malva pustula. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching our video. Hope this video proved to be helpful for your JRF upcoming exam. Don't forget to join with us on YouTube, Telegram and Instagram. The links of these channels are given in the description below. Join us on WhatsApp also. So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming updates. Thank you.